Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook stir-fried bok choy and mushroom. This dish not only looks beautiful, but also tastes so good. You will definitely love it. So now let's start. We first need to cut the bok choy into half. Then cut the mushrooms into half. Prepare the pot and boil some water. When the water boils, we need to add half a teaspoon of salt and 1 spoon of cooking oil to it. Put the bok choy into the pot. Cook for around 30 seconds. Then take the bok choy out from the pot. Now put the mushrooms into the pot. Cook for around 2 minutes. Then take the mushrooms out from the pot. Prepare the pan and add some cooking oil to it. We need to stir fry the bok choy first. Add half teaspoon of salt. Stir fry for a short time. Now prepare some starch water. Pour the starch water into the pan. Stir fry until the juice thickens. Turn off the fire and put the bok choy onto a plate like this. Now we need to stir fry the mushrooms. We first need to cut some ginger, garlic, and scallion. Prepare the pan and add some cooking oil to it. Put the ginger, garlic, and scallion into the pan. Stir fry until you can smell the flavor of garlic. Add 1 spoon of oyster sauce, 1 spoon of cooking wine. Put the mushrooms into the pan. Stir fry to mix everything well. Now add some water. Add 1 spoon of soy sauce and some sugar. Cook for around 2 minutes. This can help the mushrooms to absorb the taste of the seasonings better. In the meantime, we can prepare the starch water. Add a little bit dark soy sauce to the starch water. When we see the juice thickens, pour the starch water into the pan. Cook until the juice thickens again. Turn off the fire. It is ready. Try it and you will never regret it. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I'll see you soon.